we'll guide you through how to accept payments with Stripe. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Stripe website and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you can easily create one by clicking on the Sign Up button and following the on-screen instructions. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the Stripe dashboard. Here, you'll want to navigate to the Payments section on the left-hand side menu. Click on it, then click Analytics, and you'll see a page that shows your transaction history and payment activity. To start accepting payments, you need to set up your payment methods. Go to Settings in the bottom left corner of the dashboard, then click on Payment Methods. Here you can enable and configure various payment options like credit cards, debit cards, Apple Pay, or Google Pay. Make sure to toggle on the payment methods you wish to accept. Next, you'll need to integrate Stripe with your website or application. You can do this by using Stripe's APIs. If you're using a website builder or e-commerce platform like Shopify, WooCommerce, or Squarespace, Stripe offers pre-built integrations that make this process much simpler. Simply go to the integration section of your platform, select Stripe as your payment gateway, and follow the prompts to connect your Stripe account. Once connected, ensure to test the integration by creating a test payment to verify everything works smoothly. It's important to also set up your business and bank account details under the TechGuidePro to ensure that the funds you receive are correctly deposited into your account. That's it. You are now ready to accept payments with Stripe. Keep track of your transactions in the dashboard and explore other features like invoices and subscriptions to expand your payment capabilities. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.